Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kahului, local and long distance movers near me. If you try to relocate your belongings miles and miles away to another state or city without the support of a seasoned moving company like 3 Movers, it probably won't end well. Everyone understands that long distance freight or office or household goods is the domain of professional movers. Top interstate movers excel in absorbing the hassle of getting your goods to their destination safe and sound. Hiring a seasoned and experienced long distance moving service assures that your goods are transported safely and quickly. Furthermore, delegating the relocation to professionals and allow you to attend to other matters or to say goodbye to your friends and neighbors. Whatever your actions implies the fact that you would have to transport goods in a 100-mile radius, then you are faced with a bothersome decision. Should you hire a van from a local van rental agency or do all the moving yourself, or should you entrust all the moving related tasks to a local mover? A crucial decision must be taken, but as always, using a moving service is always the top choice. That is because your items are insured against any form of damage while in transit. Moving locally may be quick, but it may also be time consuming and stressful, especially if you have a lot of belongings with you. If you select a reliable moving company like 3 Movers, everything will go smoothly. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kahului moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.